Cool, tangy, and packed with bold flavors. This whiskey Egyptian jalapeno salad cooler is a total flavor blast in a bowl. Crisp vegetables, a refreshing bite, and a zippy tomato vinegar marinade. That's so addictive. You'll want to sip it straight from the spoon. This is an upgraded version of the classic Egyptian tomato and cucumber salad. We've taken fresh, traditional veggies and given them a punchy, drinkable twist. Making the salad. Start by adding chopped cucumber to a bowl, followed by chopped tomatoes. Next, add half a jalapeno and thinly sliced onion. Season with salt, paprika, chopped cilantro, and a little dried mint. Finish with freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now comes the most important part, the chill. Add some cold water. Drop in a few ice cubes and gently stir everything together. Let the salad rest for a few minutes. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes. You might be wondering why it's called whiskey when there's no alcohol at all. The name comes from the bold, briny tomato liquid. It's so flavorful that in Egypt, people sip it almost like a whiskey shot. Some restaurants even serve this chilled, spicy liquid on its own as a flavor-packed side. So don't worry, this whiskey Egyptian jalapeno salad cooler is 100% alcohol-free, healthy, and incredibly refreshing. It pairs perfectly with grilled vegetables, kebabs, or pita and hummus, and it's just as good on its own as a light, refreshing snack. One taste, and you'll want to make it again and again.